Welcome friends, today we will be preparing my favorite dish, chicken roast. To the washed chicken, add salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder. Squeeze half a lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons of curd. Let's add some homemade masala powder. Add ginger garlic paste to the marinade. Mix all the ingredients and apply all over the chicken. Add 2 spoons of oil and give it a good massage. Let the marinade rest for 4 hours or overnight. To the pan, add butter and place the marinated chicken. Flip every minute and cook at low flame. Once the juices of the chicken reduce, the chicken is roasted on all sides. Tasty and delicious chicken roast is ready. If the video was useful, like, comment and subscribe to our channel.